Welcome to Appspotr Academy. Today, we'll dive into the getEnvironmentVariable logic block. This block retrieves predefined environment variables, which store static data like business names, logos, and API keys, ensuring consistent and efficient data management across your app. Imagine you're developing an app for a franchise with multiple locations. The getEnvironmentVariable logic block can retrieve the business name and logo specific to each franchise location. This allows the app to dynamically display the correct branding and information based on the environment variable settings. Now, let's go through the steps to add and configure the getEnvironmentVariable logic block in your workflow. Drag the getEnvironmentVariable logic block into your workflow to include it in your application's logic. Next, connect the getEnvironmentVariable block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the retrieval of the environment variable. Set up toast messages to notify the user of the success or failure of retrieving the environment variable. These messages are helpful for debugging and user feedback.